The interface we have available for UH West Oahu student use is the Solid State Logic SSL2. With this, it's possible to record with 2 microphones at once. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the basic operation of the SSL2 and how you can use it to record a voiceover. An audio interface can be used with a microphone to record audio into a computer. Using an interface can provide higher quality audio recordings than a standalone USB microphone. The first thing you'll need to do is make a reservation for an edit bay. If you're recording a voiceover, let us know so that we can have everything set up for you when you get there. Now let's take a look at the SSL2. This knob here sets the headphone volume, while the larger blue knob controls the volume of the studio monitors. The lighted level meters will give you a visual representation of how loud your signal is. To adjust your microphone's gain, turn this knob here. In addition, make sure that the audio hardware device is set to the SSL2. If you're recording voiceover, you're probably only using one mic, so go ahead and create some mono audio tracks, and then set the input on those tracks to the SSL2. Now arm your track and get ready to record. Since we're using an interface, you don't have to press the I button to monitor your signal. Instead, you can turn the mix knob to input to use the SSL2's direct monitor feature. And if you want to hear the computer's audio instead of the mics, you can turn the knob back to USB. If the mix knob is pointing at input but you don't hear your microphone, check that the line button on the mic channel is not pushed in. And if you're only recording one microphone, make sure the stereo button is not pushed in. Then take your test recording and listen back to it. Just make sure that it isn't clipping. Clipping happens when the signal is too hot. It distorts the sound. Keep testing until you have your settings dialed in. Once you do, you're ready to begin recording. If you have any issues with the equipment, just head to the front desk and let us know. One of the assistants will be happy to help you, so please don't hesitate to ask. We hope you enjoy using the SSL2 to bring your projects to life.